Welcome to Old Town Albuquerque, a place where adobe meets culture and every corner tells a story. Today we're going to take a walking tour through one of the most vibrant places in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is Tara Diaz, your local real estate gal. Come on, let's go. Let's start right here in the Plaza, the heart of Old Town. It's been standing since 1706 and still beats with life every single day. From art shows, food festivals, live performers, there's always something going on. Let's start with Felipe Church. It's been here for over 230 years, and it's not just historic, it's an active part of the community still. There's still masses, weddings, and events happening in consistently. Walk in any direction from the plaza and you'll hit something special. Local boutiques, handmade turquoise jewelry, leather goods, Southwestern art galleries, you name it, it's here. Everything feels authentic. These aren't tourist traps. You're supporting real artists and generations of craftsmanship. Just steps away from the bustling plaza lies one of Old Town's hidden gems, Old Town Patio Market. In the 1950s, with the assistance of the University of New Mexico School of Architecture, the patio market underwent a thoughtful restoration. The original territorial and pueblo styles were preserved, and the charming wishing well was constructed over the original Armijo well, adding to the area's allure. The Old Town Patio Market isn't just a shopping destination. It's a living testament to Albuquerque's enduring spirit and artistic heritage. It's places like this that make Old Town not just a location, but a lifestyle. And one of the Old Town all-time favorites, the Candy Lady. You don't want to miss out on visiting this one. Now let's talk about food. If you're craving New Mexican cuisine, this is your heaven. From green chili chicken enchiladas, red chili stew, sopapillas with honey, and yes, the chili is the real deal. What I love most, the lifestyle. It's walkable, it's culture, it's alive. You can walk to breakfast, see art by noon, catch a street performance, and finish your day with wine and a sunset. Not to mention, if you need a haircut or want to grab a tattoo, you can also do that too. That's the Old Town rhythm. And for a wind down, there are wine bars, coffee shops, and quiet little patios where you can sip something local and just people watch. Now, if you're thinking about living near Old Town, the real estate market here is just as unique. You'll find adobe homes, historic properties, and even modern renovations tucked behind these brick-lined streets. Thank you for walking through Old Town Albuquerque with me. If you'd love to learn more about the area or possibly explore moving to the area, I'd love to help you out and show you around. Hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.